This is for the week of September 19th. I used my crow deck this week. Shout out to John Aside with the crows. I started off with the Seven of Wands this week. So you see all these crows helping. I like that. But sometimes when we talk about like just standing up for what we believe in or just standing our own ground, other people don't have to think you're right. But it also doesn't have to be a big fight. It doesn't have to be. This can come through for very small things. Coming in next is the King of Swords. And here's what I want to get into here. The King of Swords, when he goes to the Queen of Swords to get the information and the wisdom that he needs, she's the boundary maker. He's the boundary enforcer. So once you know what it is that you want, need, what you're willing to do, where you're willing to go, once you know what your boundary is, you don't need to be excited about it anymore. You can just lay it down for what it is. Get your friends to help you, like this card